Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable spatial audio for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 3 Pro. You have to start by press one time at the settings to enter it and then go to connected devices. Now right here you need to click at the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And here it is, we have spatial audio. But if you have an iPhone, you will not have these settings. And if not all Android phones have these settings also, so you may haven't this on your phone. Now to enable it, you need to click at the slider near to it. If the slider have colorful background, it means that it's enabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!